What's going on? Come back at you again, another video about Xcelerate International. I got paid this morning by me sleeping with Xcelerate. Xcelerate pays me on this day, 12/20/2024, brought to you by Xcelerate International, the $20 business that I got paid today. As you can see, this is how much I got paid. Payment received from Xcelerate International. You receive payment of $32.90 from Xcelerate International. And go from here. Again, you guys don't have to join my business at all. You don't have to join it. I'm not telling you, I'm not asking. You see what I'm doing. I've been doing this for a long time. Xcelerate is paying only $20 a month or $100 for the whole year, and you get paid. You get your $100 back by you getting other people to sign up under you. I don't understand why people is running for getting a side hustle going on under their belt. That ain't my problem. You know, I wish best for everybody to have a side hustle. I don't wish bad on nobody. Yes, again, I've been doing this for a long time. I'm a good promoter. I promote myself. I believe in myself. I'm in love with myself. I know what I want in life. It's called sharing is caring. I care to share this information to other people out there who needs help getting their mind rewired, and it's okay to get a side hustle business. I'm not begging nobody. You know, if you're looking for some money, you're going to have to be a hustler and get a side hustle going on. Yes, indeed. You have to have a side hustle. If you don't have a hustle about yourself, what is your purpose in this world? Non-believers out there, what is the purpose in this world? Why are you living in this world? What is your purpose? What do you want to do in life? Your wife can't help you. Your girlfriend can't help you. Your boyfriend can't help you. What is your purpose in this world? What do you want to do in life? That is a big question. What do you want to do? Again, by me sleeping at 5:18 a.m., I just got paid. As you can see, I'm making this video, proof that Xcelerated work, because I never give up on Xcelerate. You pay your union dues every month and let people know about it. You don't know where your blessing is coming from if you don't set yourself in position. I'm setting myself in position to be able to receive funds from all my businesses that I'm promoting for a long time ago. And it's really working for me because I never give up. I believe in myself. I never give up. Anything I touch, I never give up. If somebody tell me no, they got other billion people in the world. They're going to tell me yes and join my businesses and believe in me. Yes, indeed. Non-skeptical, non-markers out there. You got to believe in yourself to be able to gain your financial freedom. It's called side hustle business. You do not have to quit your 9-to-5 job to have a side hustle. It's free to have a side hustle business. Yes, indeed. It's free to do a side hustle business. You have to believe in yourself. All right, I'm going to come back with you again with another video. Thank you for listening. Join Xcelerate International today and gladly appreciate for your support. Thanks.